Good morning and happy Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend. I'm gonna start off this week by talking about domain TLDs. Reason for this being that I see that it's still not clear what to use. There's been a bunch of new domains released. .tech, data, .technology, .business, really whatever you want to. And I've also seen that a lot of tech companies, especially Silicon Valley based companies, are using .io domains, and I just recently had a client that were really set on using a .io domain, and they did also have the .com domain, and I'll basically talk you through what I told the client, that it's just going to be so much harder to rank that .io domain, and that's for a number of reasons. But if we start by looking a little bit on the different TLDs that are around, I can show you what to choose, and I can also give you a quick trick on how to pick a domain for a new venture, startup, website, whatever you really want to do. Right, so here we go. Hey everyone again. So I'm starting here on my own portfolio website. As you might know, there are a ton of different. So we're gonna do spammy TLD. Now there's a pretty big article from Spamhouse Project. So these are the 10 most abused TLDs. Right now, .party, .men, .biz. I think biz has been there forever. .info. Normally, it's because these domains are cheap to register. I remember the info was about 50 cents back in the day, and people were just spamming and slamming the web. There will be obviously a bunch of domain names still that are spammy, even if it's .com, but what really matters is what ranks, what kind of domains. So let's try payday loan, which is a really good keyword for affiliate marketing. We get some local results here, as always. .com, mypaydayloan.com, it's .net, Yelp, wikipedia.org, yellowpages.com, freakonomics.com, atlantic.com, thenewyorker.com. So we can just do another high volume search. Let's say real estate Miami. So not surprising, Zillow.com is number one, Realtor, Twitter, Redfin, so like the big ones, the really big ones, Survera. You see they're all .coms. So what if we try to find the best real estate domain names that has like the IO, for example. Domain name economics, an old one. Ism.me. IO TLD. Another quite interesting fact that not a lot of people know is that .com is originally intended for American commercial websites. The IO, many of those have a country, and the IO is a top-level domain, and it's assigned to the British Indian Ocean Territory. Interesting. I don't know what that has to do with fancy or hip startup in Silicon Valley, but either way, but I would suggest that you do, if you can know what you're looking for, but not really. I would go to, this is an example, go to GoDaddy, GoDaddy auctions. A few domains. It's under additional products. And the auction membership, I think it's like $5 a year or something. Well worth it. So I'm starting a car dealership, let's say Miami. I want to do luxury cars, Lambos and Mercedes. So I do luxury car. Actually, let's do an advanced search. You can get more. Car. Luxury. I want to do auctions so that the domain hasn't been dropped. I want to check .com, and I can also do .net. I have to be a little bit more careful about that. I want it to be at least 3 years old, and let's just put something there, so traffic of 2, so that we get a decent result here. So let's see, it's loading. Mint your car. This one is already $1,200. Buffalo cheap cars. So it kind of depends on what your budget is. I would definitely avoid this with the hyphens. Let's see. Let's try that. Let's try to do another search, similar search, but I think I want to. I think I need car in it and car as it is, because there's so many verbs with C-A-R. Battery. Oh, yeah, exact match begins with car. Let's see what this gives us. This is going to be a pretty tedious process, but you definitely want to get your domain right. Be good for returning. It's not what we're looking for now. So let's see. Here's a domain for $10. Nico's Motorcars. Doesn't look too bad. Let's see. Alright, so we're here with the search for car and dealer. Nico's my car, super cars. So it's a little urban maybe, but let me run this list here. How many domains we have? Seems like there's quite a few. It's 500. I'm showing 500 each. So let me get right back to you on that. All right, I'm back. What I did was I ran the domains in Majestic bulk tool. Got a little list like this, sorted it by just flow. Mostly we want to look at the external domains as well, but I'm going to make this as easy as possible. Found a domain here on auction called Car Platform. It looks pretty promising at least. So let's see. Concept cars, Russian links. Feels a little bit spammy looking at the links. This Czech, Japanese. Let's take a look at what the site actually was 2-3 years ago. It's pretty hard nowadays to find a domain that's not doesn't have a dirty background, so to speak. Alright, come on, archive. into it. So let's take a look at 2016, 19th of January. It's 2 years ago. There's a Squarespace site. Look a little bit further in the past. This is 2011. And the comment spams, but we got some featured cars here and articles. We're talking about Ferraris, Porsches, and the local luxury cars. I do like the domain name carplatform.com. It could be as nice. Just gonna check that this is not duplicated anymore. It's actually unique content. Doesn't look too bad, this site, does it? Alright, so the question now is, what's the price of this? This is inside here. Really good one. Alright, so just go back to GoDaddy. It's valued at $3,000. Time left 5 days. Yeah, it's not bad. It's already one bid in, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my watch list so I don't start bidding now. And I can start bidding just 1 hour before the domain lapses. It's kind of a strategy I have just to try to get the domains as cheap as possible. Alright, so I think that's it for today's video. Hope everyone has a good start of the week, and speak to you soon.